In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach out for help using Basecamp, which is one of the fundamental skills you'll need when getting acquainted with this platform. If you're just starting out or have been using Basecamp for a while, moments may arise when you need assistance or have specific questions. Getting the right help at the right time can make your experience much smoother and more enjoyable. So, let's walk through this process of contacting Basecamp support. First, let's talk about the easiest way to get help without even leaving your app. You've likely noticed your avatar or profile picture at the top right corner of the app. Go ahead and give that a click. This action should reveal several options, and among them, you'll want to find and select the Help or Support option. It might say something slightly different depending on the version you're using, but it'll be quite similar. Clicking this will take you directly to the support page, which is your gateway to finding the information or assistance you may need. Now, if for any reason you're not using the app or prefer to access support from a browser, don't worry. You can head straight to the official support page by entering basecamp.com/support in your browser's address bar. This is a direct route to accessing a wealth of resources, so it's a great URL to keep handy. Once you've landed on the Basecamp help site, you will come across an option that says Contact Our Team. This is a crucial feature that provides a form specifically designed for you to input your questions. Whether your inquiry is related to account details, billing questions, or how to navigate the apps, this form is your go-to. It's structured to ensure you provide the necessary details so the support team can assist you effectively. There's also the possibility of getting in touch through email, though the platform emphasizes using the contact form first. When you fill out this form and send your question, the team promises to get back to you. This process ensures your question reaches the right person who can provide you the best possible support and guidance. And there you have it, a straightforward way to have your questions answered by Basecamp's support team. Whether you choose to contact them through the app or via their support webpage, it's all about finding the help you need swiftly and efficiently. As you continue your journey with Basecamp, remember that this support is always a click away, ready to help you tackle any challenge or query that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and happy Basecamping.